final keyword. Final method I have already discussed in the previous class. Now Java final class. Now here, when I define a class, final class bike, okay, I define a class as final, then Honda 1 extends bike. Okay, so I have passing a inheritance. मुठी जेतेबेले inheritance pass करूची, so it shows an error. It means what? When I define a class as final, then if I pass the inheritance, it shows an error because a final class cannot be inherited. Means its functionality is stop here. तो एबे एग्जांपल ला देखौची. This example. This one. So now I run the file. शुभम किसी कहूछ?
हाँ हाँ
शुभम को तो वॉइस कटुची.
आपण घरटे सिरिची ना छाप.
So I save this file Honda 1. that is actually final class bike, then class Honda 1 extends from bike. So when I define a class as final, and now when I trying to extend it, then what is the output? Check here. It shows an error. Error cannot inherit from final bike. So if you define a class as final, then if you pass the inheritance, it shows an error. Next point is what? Is a final method is inherited. So final method is inherited, but it is not override. Override means it cannot give the new functionality to the final method. Now check here. I again save this file. So class bike final void run function. Then here I define a function as final. Now if I call this function new Honda 2 run, then it shows an error. ମୁଁ run କରିବି. That is showing you running. The new Honda 2 এটা ମୁଁ function को run कले ଏଠି ଦେଖିଲା running. Next program. So here if you see this example, this one, एठी मु कोन देखे डिफाइन कली ना फाइनल void run function. हमें extends कले class टाको extends कले कौन होगा? You can use this function in different way, but final method cannot be override. Override means you cannot give the new functionality on it. So new Honda 2 then run. Then here we define a can we okay, next program, can we initialize blank final variable? Yes, you can initialize blank final variable. What is blank final variable? A variable that is you have to define as final. Okay, गोटे variable को हमें define करिवा as final. Now I save this file. Final int speed limit, we are defining a variable final int speed limit. Then now I define a constructor. So speed limit equals to 70. Okay, तो मुझे गोटे variable define कली final int speed limit. तापर मुझे initialization कली 70. देखो इटा होची blank final variable. When you define a variable as final, at the time of declaration, if you are not initialized, then it is called the blank final variable. So blank final variable is initialized in the constructor of class. So here we define bike 10, the speed limit equals to 70. So bike 10. That is showing you 70. The next part is static blank final variable. A static final variable that is not initialized at the time of declaration. When you define a variable as static, okay, a static variable that you define and at the time of declaration, if you are not initialized, then it is called as a static final variable. Now for initializing the static final variable, we're using static block. So here I define a static block. Static data equals to 50. देखो static blank final variable define हला तापर ए variable टाको हमको initialization करियो कहले मु static block भीतर initialization कली. Then how you have to show the value? We have to show the value directly like system.out.println a.data. माने एटा हला हमर class name dot data कले मोर जो 50 value अछि एटा शो करियो. now देखो এটা static blank final variable. Static A, static final int data, then static data equals to 50. ଏବେ ମୁଁ କଲ୍ କରୁଛି it is showing you 50. Okay, then ମୁଁ execute କରିବି এটা static blank final variable ଟା show ହେଲା ବୁଝିହେଲା କେମିତି access ହେଉଛି ଆତ୍ମଜ୍ୟୋତି ଶୁଭମ आशीष दिशा मनीषा
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay so next program next question it's saying that what is final parameter okay so parameter means what you have to give a runtime value while you are what calling a function or when you define a constructor at that timing we are defining parameter the class bike 11 int cube final int n okay so here I define class bike 11 int cube final int n is equals to n plus 2 तो bike 11 b new bike 11 एटी मु जो क्लास जो अच्छी से क्लास रा ऑब्जेक्ट बनैली ऑब्जेक्ट बनैला परे तापर मु डिफाइन कले int d int d कहीं ना एटी d कहीं डिफाइन कराला मोर जो फंक्शन टा अच्छी ए फंक्शन रे void जगह रे मु int लिखिली तो इफ यू राइट in place of void if you write any other return type then it is return the value void छड़ा अलगा return type use कले से हमको value return करिवा तो int q final int n तो ये मु कौन कली बाइक मु बाइक 11 क्लास रा ऑब्जेक्ट बनैली int d तो ये जो b is the object of bike 11 class b dot cube I am calling a function मैं फंक्शन टा कॉल कली तापर मु कौन कली ना 5 टा पास कली 5 टा कोटी स्टोर हला n ने स्टोर हला तापर n रो कहाँ हला n रो n ने स्टोर हला पर 5 एठी मु जदी ऐड करिवि 5 plus 2 एठी मते एरर शो करिवो because when you define a parameter as final then it cannot be reinitialized see there it shows an error So it is all about your final keyword in Java. Next, another part that is called as enum. Enum is a type field which consists of fixed set of constant. So you can define the enum type by using enum keyword. Like array, enum is another type field which contain the fixed set of value. Okay, so when you are passing the value in the enum, the value is fixed. You can use some special method. By using of this method, you can access the value from the enum. Okay, enum class body can include the method and other field. जमती कि आमे array define करूथले enum भी सेमती रहउची. enum रे कोन रहइबो ना आमे fixed set of value रखिबो. जमती enum day एठी रहला Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. तो ए सब value गुडा का हमर fixed set of value रहला. enum रू value retrieve करिवा को हेले तो we have to use some kind of special method. So from that method or by using of this method we can access the value from the enum. So enum explicitly what it is what implicitly it comes in the program. माने enum टा को use करिवा को हेले हमको कोनोसी special method use करिवा दरकार नै. It is implicitly added in the program. Okay, so that enum implicitly extend from java.lang.enum जेहेतु lang package रो आछी that is implicitly added. The next is how enum is working. I will show the example of all the enum. Okay, see that enum example. So define enum operating system, window, Unix, Linux, Macintosh. These all are the enum value. Now I am creating a object of enum. Enum ram eti object baneli operating system OS. Then operating system then OSS array. I would object banala in the form of a array. Operating system होची enum dot values. Values method use कले एटी जहाँ भी सब values अच्छी it is a special method which is used in the enum. It is retrieve all the value and store in the OSS array. এই array रे हमर store होगा. तापर मु कौन करीबी जेहेतु गोटे array रे store हेची array रो सब value retrieve करबा को हेले एटी enhance for loop use कराला. This is enhance for loop means without any kind of initialization, checking condition, increment and decrement. Here I use the enhance for loop. Operating system A colon OSS. तो OSS रे जहाँ value अच्छी आसी कि A रे store हैला. तापर मते एटी सबु value print कला. Windows, Unix, Linux, Macintosh एटी सबु value मते एटी print करिवो. तापर मो ये जो OS object बनै छै ये object मो pass कली operating system dot value of. Operating system dot value of, when I use value of, the value that I am passing window, it is match with this enum. ये विंडोज टा जाके आ भीतर मैच हबो. जदि मु एठी जो वैल्यू टा पास करूची एई enum फील्ड भीतर जदि मैच हैला ताले मते देखेबो योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज विंडोज आउ एठी जो वैल्यू टा मु पास करूची जदि एई enum फील्ड रे मैच न होउची इट शोज एन एरर. नाउ चेक. It's showing you all the value that is present in the enum. Windows, Unix, Linux, Macintosh. Your operating system is Windows. If I pass any other value, window, it's showing you window, Unix, Linux, Macintosh. तापर जेतले मु विंडो पास करची विंडो इज नॉट मैच विथ द enum list तो इट शोज एन एरर रन टाइम एरर शो कला. बुझला.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you do all the practical. Okay, जोड़ा सब हम बते जी यार सब practical सब करियो and then send me in WhatsApp. Okay, so now next example. Okay, so I'll show the next other example of enum in the next class. So tomorrow I will show you. So tomorrow class timing is 9:40. So in 9:40 I will connect. Okay. ठीक है. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.